2.8 is about adding ones and tens. The first example is adding 1 versus adding 10. They are different. For example, 36 plus 1 is 37, but 36 plus 10 is 46, not 37 again. The second point, we need to understand place value when adding tens. For example, 36 has 3 tens and 6 ones. If we add 36 plus 20, it will be 3 tens plus 6 ones, that is 36 plus 2 tens. So finally, we will get 5 tens plus 6 ones, that is 56. Also, we need to understand the place value when adding ones. For example, the same example, 36 has 3 tens plus 6 ones. If we add 36 plus 2, it will be 3 tens plus 6 ones plus 6 ones. Then finally, we will get 3 tens plus 8 ones. So the result is 38. .9 is about an introduction to addition with two-digit numbers. The first is adding two-digit numbers without regrouping. We just need to add tens together and then add ones together. If the number of total ones is less than 10. For example, 36 plus 21 is 3 tens plus 6 ones plus 2 tens plus 1 one equals 5 tens and 7 ones. Put ones together. Also put tens together first. We get 5 tens. Put ones together. You get 7 ones. So it is 5 tens plus 7 ones. That is 57. This is a display of this addition. We have 36 at first. That is 3 tens and 6 ones. Plus 21. That is 2 tens and 1 one. If we put them together, so we put 10 together first. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Put it here. Then we put ones together. It is 6 ones plus 1 one. Then we put it here. It will be 7 ones here. So 36 plus 21 is 57. So we also can use a method called vertical addition to do this. To add 36 and 21, you can line up the numbers vertically and add them column by column. Here's how to do it. First of all, line up the numbers vertically, and we will place a plus sign here. That means 36 plus 21, and we will have a dash line here because we will write the results below the dash line. Start with the rightmost column, that is a 1 place. Add 6 and 1 here, which equals 7. Then move to next column, that is the tens place here. Add 3 and 2, which equals 5. So we can get 57. So 36 plus 21 equals 57. So this is a vertical addition method. So this method can help us to do the addition easier. So next point is to break apart two-digit addition problems. For example, 36 plus 21 equals 30 plus 6 plus 20 plus 1. Here we break apart two-digit numbers, 36 into 30 plus 6, 21 breaked into 20 plus 1. So here we can add tens together and then add ones together. So that is 30 plus 20 and then 6 plus 1. Then we get 50 as tens plus 7. Then we get 57 in the same way. Another way is to do 36 plus 21 as 3 tens plus 6 ones plus 2 tens plus 1 1. We can see it is 3 tens plus 2 tens plus 6 ones plus 1 1. That is 5 tens plus 7 ones also equals to 57. Next step, let's have a look at regrouping of tens. The example is 36 plus 6 equals 42. So what we need to do is to add tens together and adding ones together first. If adding two ones together create a new 10, then we need to put the new 10 with other 10s together. So this process is as a regrouping of 10s. Let me display this process so you can understand it easily. First, we have the number 36, that is 3 tens and 6 ones here. Then we have to add 6, so that is 6 ones here. So the first step is to add tens together. That is only 3 tens here, so we put here, and then we add ones together. So 6 plus 6, so we get 12. So 12 here, 12 is a 110 plus 2. So this 110 is generated or created by adding the numbers of at the two one places from above here. So this new 10 from 12 will be regrouped with other 10s here. So that means we will put this 10 here. Then we will have 4 10s here. and the remaining block as 2. We'll put it here. So the final result will be 40 plus 2, that is 42. So this is the process of regrouping tens. We can also do it by the vertical addition method. Okay. Start with the rightmost column, that is the ones place. Add 6 and 6, which equals 12. Then we can write 2 in the result first and carry over the 110 to the tens place. So 6 plus 6 equals 110 and 2 ones here. Then we can see now we need to add tens place. So there is a carried over 1 plus the original 3 tens, or carried over 110 plus the original 3 tens. Then we will get 4 tens here. So in this way, this step we need to move the next column. So this is the tens place, and add the carried over 1 tens, 110, and the original 3 tens here, which equals 4 tens. So we can put it here as just 4. So 36 plus 6 equals 42. This is a vertical addition method, and it will help us to do the addition easier. Next point is to add by making a group of 10. For example, 36 plus 6 equals 36. First of all, we divide this 6 into 4 plus 2. Then we can add 36 with 4 together to get 40. And then plus remaining 2, and we get the 42. In this way, by making a group of 10, we can make this addition easier. Another example is 19 plus 7. Can divide this 7 into 1 plus 6. And then we can add 19 with 1 first to get 20. Then we will add 6 after that. Then it will be 20 plus 6 equals 26. Here, the bracket indicates a number could be two numbers adding together. For example, 6 could be added by 4 plus 2. 7 could be added by 1 plus 6. Next point, let's add up to 4 numbers. For example, 36 plus 6 plus 19 plus 7. We will add 2 numbers first, and then the other 2 numbers first. So the first 2 numbers to add together, we get 42, and the other 2 numbers we add together to get 26. Then this four numbers addition becomes two numbers additions here. Then we can add these two numbers again to get the final result. So 42 plus 26, we get the final result, that is 68. Here, the bracket indicates to add the two numbers in the bracket first.